Good morning, one and all. This is Ritesh Misra, and as we all know, general election has started, and I have seen people are not seem to be very excited for these elections. I don't know why so, because this is very pivot election for the nations, absolutely important for the nation being building perspective and for the safety of these nations, for the fundamental right of the peoples of these nations. We should be very excited for the general elections because whomsoever we voted for, will vote for, they will rule for upcoming 5 years of these nations. तो we should vote wisely. हमें बहुत समझदारी से वोट करना होगा दोस्तों, और ये हर एक सिटीजन का जिम्मेदारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि जो भी गवर्नमेंट हम चूज कर रहे हैं, वी शुड सी देयर मैनिफेस्टो, देयर इंटेंशंस फॉर द नेशन बिल्डिंग, how they are thinking and what they are actually serving. जो भी वो हमारे सामने रख रहे हैं, उनके तथ्य को, उनके इंटेंशंस को भी जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है दोस्तों, बिकॉज political parties are meant to be make hollow promises. We have seen so many years since independence, political party have always made hollow promises. But I would like to think about the intentions, how their intention is. If their intention is to build the nation and take this nation forward in a better manner, we should definitely look into it. So as a citizen of these nations, I would like everybody should participate in general election because it is a festival of democracy. I have seen the Congress government before 2014, and now I am seeing this government as well. See, for the matter of nation building, we need a strong government, because a strong government can do some favorable thing for the nation. As we have seen, 370 को हटाना एक हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी था, जो कि इस गवर्नमेंट ने वो काम किया. अगर कोई भी काम देश हित में होता है तो होना चाहिए. अपने वोट बैंक के वजह से अगर कोई काम देश हित में आप ना करते हुए उसको आप थोप रहे हैं मुल्क के ऊपर अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, वो फेयर नहीं होता है. दिस कंट्री इज नॉट फॉर सिंगल फैमिली. ये एक मुल्क, हर एक व्यक्ति को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए अपनी बात रखने का, क्योंकि ये हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट बनता है. तो दोस्तों, हम घर में बैठ ये नहीं सोच सकते कि हाँ ये पार्टी जीत रही, चलो इसके पास तो इतना वोट है, हम वोट नहीं करेंगे जाके, तो एक वोट से हमारा क्या ही हो जाएगा. नॉट अ गुड आइडिया सर. यू हैव टू कास्ट योर वोट as much as would possible. If there are, if you think this is not importance, how can you say that? This is a matter of the nation. You have to participate in it. You cannot ignore it, because your one vote matters a lot in the nation building. So please, I would like to suggest, and I would like to advise every citizen of this nation, please use your vote and vote wisely. See, जो हार्डशिप इस देश की गरीबों ने झेला है, बिफोर 2014 की मैं बात करूं, आई हैव सीन दैट कि बिफोर 2014 हाउ peoples of this nation were, and now how they are. You can correlate with it. You can differentiate between it. just because of, how can you say, see, before 2014 the value of a product was 400. Now the same product has value approximately 4000. Are you are saying the cylinder you were getting at rupees 400, now you are getting at 1000? You are saying it is a inflation? People's money power has also increased as much as inflation has. People's purchasing power has increased. You should think wisely. A strong government will do something favorable for the nation. अगर कहीं 50 चोर खड़ा है और कहीं एक चोर खड़ा है, तो हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि भाई एक चोर को समझाना हमारे लिए थोड़ा सही रहेगा rather than 50 चोर को समझाना. So please vote wisely. Thank you so much.